Hello, Paxi, or as I might also say, Здравствуйте, konnichiwa. I'm astronaut Anne McLean, and I'm currently living on the International Space Station. And today, I want to talk to you about languages and cultures aboard the International Space Station. This station is a really special place. The ISS was built by Europe, USA, Russia, Japan, and Canada. And it's a wonderful example of what's possible to achieve when many countries and cultures work together. The space station is also a very special place because of this. But there are some funny and interesting challenges when many nations and people work together. One of them is language. American and Canadian astronauts usually speak English, French. Russian cosmonauts speak Russian, and Japanese astronauts speak Japanese. But these languages don't even share the same alphabet. And because Europe speaks so many different languages, ESA astronauts come from member states with lots of different languages. So what do we do about that aboard the International Space Station? Well, speaking of ESA, we're now in the Columbus module, which is the European module. And here, everything is in English. Different sections on the space station, though, are built by different nations and have different language in their systems. The American modules are called Harmony, Destiny, Unity, and Tranquility, while Russia has the Zvezda and Zarya modules, and Japan has the Kibo, and Canada has the Canadarm2 and Dexter. The instruments that we have on board are also different, like the systems that keep us alive, and even our spacesuits. This means that we have to have training on many different systems, which is also good because it means that if one of our systems fails, then we have another one to take over. As all the astronauts on board, we use all the modules. We eat together and we work side by side. It can also be a challenge to make sure all the buttons and the instructions are understood by so many nationalities. This means that we have to all speak the same language when we work in space. On the space station, the two languages are Russian and English. But when we fly to and from the International Space Station, we use the Soyuz spaceship. And that's a Russian spaceship, and everything is written in Russian. We also do some of our training at Star City in Russia. Therefore, all the astronauts learn to read and speak in Russian and English as part of the astronaut training. And the cosmonauts also have to learn Russian and English. Ty говоришь по-русски, Paxi? We humans have a lot in common. After all, we all come from the same planet. However, different countries have different histories and culture. We have different traditions, and we like and we use different food. Luckily, here on the space station, we get food from our home countries, and then we can share with our fellow astronauts and our favorite food and share memories. We like to trade our food a lot. Did you bring some food for us, Paxi? Maybe one day we can speak in your language while eating some local food from your home planet. Until then, see you next time. Goodbye, до свидания, and sayonara.